Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 22nd of February. I'm James Spann. A very active, unsettled weather pattern continues across Alabama through the weekend. Later today, the chance of heavy rain and strong to severe storms for parts of the state. So a lot to talk about. Here we go. This is the upper air look early this morning. We have a disturbed southwest flow aloft in place across the region with a big trough in the western states. That was the radar this morning. About 5 o'clock, had a few showers over the Tennessee Valley, a line of strong to severe storms over Arkansas that we're watching. Temperatures are in the upper 50s and low 60s. These numbers have been rising overnight tonight after the passage of a warm front last night. And around the region, it's 74 in Shreveport, Louisiana, a little before 5 o'clock this morning. And we're expecting highs here up in the 70s today, going to be very mild. There is a flash flood watch in effect through tomorrow morning for parts of north and northwest Alabama. This is for Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Cullman, Marshall, and DeKalb counties and counties back to the north and west for the chance of some flooding problems there. We note there's a tornado watch in effect this morning. That runs until 11 a.m. for parts of middle and western Tennessee, northeast Arkansas, western Kentucky. And again, our main chance of severe storms here comes much later in the day, really this evening and tonight. Around the nation, pretty messy today. Flash flood watches in effect from North Alabama up into parts of the Ohio Valley. We've got blizzard warnings for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. We've got winter storm warnings in effect for many of the states out west, Utah, Colorado, down into Arizona, and California, with winter weather advisories for the mountains there. So here's your severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have the standard slight risk across parts of the Mid-South, including parts of northwest Alabama. This is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes. We have a 5% circle into the northwest part of the state in that slight risk area. And in Alabama, the slight risk, level 2 out of 5, includes areas west of a line from Huntsville to Jasper to Aliceville, areas in yellow. And that's really the core thread of severe storms this evening and tonight. Just a low-end marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, down to Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Demopolis. But the chance of severe weather there pretty low. The main focus will be across northwest Alabama this evening. And again, more about the threats as we go. This is tomorrow. No severe weather expected. Maybe some thunder for North Alabama. And then day 3, which is Thursday, we have a marginal risk west of the state for the Mississippi Delta and parts of North Louisiana. Here's the QPF for the next 7 days. Precipitation. Heavier totals over North Alabama and the Tennessee Valley. Huntsville with 3.3 inches. Birmingham about 1 inch, under 1/2 inch for the southern counties of the state between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. The 06C run valid today at 3. Again, we have a southwest flow aloft. Down below that, got a surface low that's north of Indianapolis. And a decent chunk of the day should be dry with only isolated showers. And again, very mild. We rise up into the mid-70s today. So let's go to high-resolution modeling. This is the HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh this evening at 7 o'clock. And you can see those thunderstorms over northwest Alabama at that point. So here's the instability. And again, we've got values now in excess of 1,000 joules per kilogram in that northwestern part of the state in the slight risk area, which is quite favorable for severe weather. The shear values are not overwhelming, but there's certainly enough for rotating updrafts. And this is the STP, the significant tornado parameter. And those values are now in the 3 to 5 unit range over northwest Alabama, north and west of Birmingham. So if you're in the northwestern part of the state and up in the Tennessee Valley, just be aware you could see a few storms this evening with hail, strong winds, and a few isolated tornadoes. The main window in terms of timing, we'll say 5 to midnight. So as always, the advice, you've got to have a good way of getting warnings. And if you watch these weather videos, you got that. But be sure your friends and relatives and folks know about it. It's not quite as dynamic as the system last Thursday, but still, all it takes is one. So this is tomorrow. The front moves on down to the south. And highs probably slip back in the 60s for the northern half of the state. Clouds will likely linger much of the day, and any showers mainly over the southern half of the state. And they will be scattered, nothing too heavy. This is Thursday. The warm front lifts north again. We go back in the 70s. Somebody may be flirting with 80 on Thursday. The sun might peek out at times. And again, showers should be fairly hard to find, much of the day dry. This is Friday morning. The cold front comes in again from the northwest, and that's going to bring another round of rain, maybe some thunder. That is not a severe weather look. But we'll start the day off Friday with some rain, and then by Friday afternoon, the rain is gone. Friday should be a cooler day. Now, Friday night, the high, or late Thursday night, early Friday morning, we could be in the 60s, but during the day Friday, temperatures will likely hover in the low 50s, upper 40s and low 50s, noticeably cooler. So Saturday, again, that front just meanders back and forth. Saturday looks like a cloudy day. There could be a few showers around. This is Saturday afternoon. And then Saturday night, a wave on the front brings rain. No severe weather, just a cool rain falling. And then Sunday, that feature is on by, the sky clearing. The high Sunday in the middle 50s. Monday of next week should be a sunny day, upper 50s, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 1st of March, first day of meteorological spring. A northwest flow aloft and a cool, dry day. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday of next week, March 3rd. Got a little trough west of the state, maybe a few showers to the west, but things look pretty quiet. The next week at this moment looks mostly dry and calm and cool. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches between now and the 8th of March. Temperatures, how about 76 on Thursday? And again, the high Friday of 65, that's probably going to come just after midnight. The daytime temperatures will likely be in the low 50s. Then 50s Saturday, Sunday, Monday, then back up to 70 toward the end of next week. And the latest guidance from the CPC for March 1st through March 7th. Got the blue here. That means temperatures will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.